Hey, I'm Kyrie, and today I'm going to show you my Girl Scout S.W.A.P.S. My S.W.A.P.S have Rarity, Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, Twilight, Applejack, and Derpy.
And these were just really simple to make. What we did was we got business cards that had 10 on a page, and we printed out really random facts about Juliet Gordon Low, and this one is Juliet Low loved animals and had a horse named Fire. These ones, this here, they're all themed for the zoo that we're going to do a special swap tomorrow for that. And what we did next was after we printed those out and we broke them down, we got a hole punch and put holes in them, put the safety pin in, and some what they're called mini pony beads. And then we cut out these pictures of My Little Ponies that we found on the internet, and we made her first Girl Scout swap as a Daisy Scout.
It's just the same card.
And the idea is that you take them to a place that other Girl Scouts are going to have their swaps, and you trade them. And it's a way for the little girls to make friends with each other and meet new people from different troops.
Would you like one?
I do. I love Rarity. Rarity and Fluttershy are my favorites. What are your favorites?
Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, Applejack, and Twilight, and Rainbow Dash, and Derpy. You put my card on there?
No, honey, you have a different one of the Derpies on the refrigerator. These are all... You have yours still. Can you do me a favor and tell me your Make New Friends song?
Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's all I want to be your friend. Bye-bye.